young at heart, but we're still dreaming, eyes wide open. We leave this place behind, no matter what they say. Yeah, 'cause we're stronger than iron. We won't let them break us down. Now we're heading over the clouds, 'cause we're walking on air, walking on air, getting high over the surface, walking on air. Yeah, we're walking on air.
Well, what is up, good people of YouTube? I just spit everywhere on that. Okay, well, what's up, guys? Hope everybody is having a fantastic day. I am doing a throwback type style video today, going back to the car vlog in freezing cold and very snowy and icy and wet Ohio. If you can't tell, yes, I am actually still in the race car in the snow. Project Eclipse is not done yet, and still have not bought a new truck yet for next season. So we are on race tires in the snow and ice. Not the greatest idea. It's very sketcy, but it's also kind of fun at the same time. But anyhow, guys, today I wanted to do a quick update video on what has been going on in my life. I've been very busy behind the scenes. I've got so much coming up and so much going on in the next 2 to 3 months. It's absolutely insane. So first thing is first, I will be in Miami, Florida next week, 1 week from today, 7 days, for 4 days for the 10X Growth Conference. If you do not know what that is, it is an event hosted by Grant Cardone, and it is the biggest entrepreneur conference in the entire world. So that is 3 days from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. and I will be there an extra day as well to just soak up the sun. It's going to be about 80 degrees in sun. So every day you will get daily vlogs from Miami. It's going to be a great time. I am very excited. We get back from Miami and we have 1 week, and then after that week we are headed out to Los Angeles once again. This will be the first time that I have gone to Los Angeles for nothing other than vacation. Every time I've gone to LA, the past like 12 trips have all been for business or work. This time, nothing, straight vacation. Well, I guess there is something. You guys know Mitch. Mitch has been on this channel before. He's actually thinking about going to college out in San Diego, and we are going there for 1 day. We're going to go to San Diego, but we're actually there for a whole week, and for the entire week we're just going to be, for 6 of the days other than that one college day, we're going to be out just enjoying LA. He hasn't been to LA. Well, he has, but he was a young kid when he went and he doesn't really remember it. So I'm going to go out and show him all the cool places to do. It's going to be awesome. I'm very excited. You guys are going to get so much content from LA because Mitch, like myself, he loves to do YouTube. He loves to do filmography, cinematography, photography, everything like that. So it's going to be a great trip. I'm super excited about that. So you guys are going to get tons of content from there. Come back from LA, and then we have 4 days, and then I go to Philadelphia for actually another fun event, going to the Stadium Series, the Pittsburgh Penguins versus the Philadelphia Flyers. If you don't know, I'm a diehard Pittsburgh fan, so go Pens. There will be a vlog from that event as well. Then we get back from that, and we go to Dubai. Dubai is a very exotic trip. It is a race event that I will be going out there to participate in with a race. I can't really reveal too many details yet, but just know that is the 7th through the 11th, I think it is, for Dubai. But I actually forgot, before Dubai, March 1st through March 4th, we are going to West Palm Beach, Florida, and I'm going out there to shoot some videos with a couple of friends. Going to be vlogging down there all day as well, or all week as well. So that's going to be 4 days there. So those are all the trips coming up. That's a lot of that I've been preparing for, in the sense of what content I'm doing, where I'm filming, who I'm filming with. So a lot of preparation's been going on there. Other stuff other than trips, I'm actually working on my own weekly TV show, which will be featured on YouTube. One of my buddies is a movie producer, and he is going to be helping me out with that. He is based out of Las Vegas, so I'm working on that as well, but that's going to be a little bit farther down the road, not quite anytime soon. I'd say probably in the summertime, but that's a long production, but that's in the works. As well as I'm working on a commercial with a local racetrack, in which my buddy Dan will also, what was that? Oh, my charger? My buddy Dan will also, the director, will also be helping me out with that, but I'm shooting a commercial for one of the racetracks here. I'm super stoked about that. That'll be in May. And then actually for my local high school, I will be shooting a weekly TV series as well, which I'm in the middle of producing. When I say TV, it'll most likely be a YouTube show, which I'm in the middle of doing all that as well. So that is all the behind the scenes stuff that has been just crazy. Yep, you fell. Alright, now that I got you situated again, as you decided to fall off the windshield, well, I guess it's not the windshield, more like the window. It's like 20 degrees out, so getting that suction cup to stick is kind of an event. It already fell like 3 times before I started this, but we're going to try to finish this up pretty quick here. But that's everything that has been going on. Project Eclipse, all the parts are ordered, waiting for more parts to come in. I just haven't had time to work on it, honestly. Hopefully, I'll get to it soon. There will be a new vehicle eventually to tow the race car once the race season starts back up. So there's that as well. Other than that, I think that is pretty much just about everything going on right now that I've really been focusing on. Haven't really had as much time to make videos, haven't had as much time to do social media stuff because I've really been focusing on the stuff that's upcoming and the stuff that I really do have to focus on to make good content for you guys. If you don't know who I am, my name is Zane. I am a race car driver. I am an entrepreneur. I am a YouTuber. I am a social media influencer, I guess. I'm working my way there on that. Anyhow, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I post a lot of content regularly, especially from all my trips and my travels, the race events, the different just life events going on. Also, I just started a Patreon page, which will be linked down below in the description. If you guys care to check out my Patreon page, it would be a huge help and greatly appreciated. All my social media, as always, is linked down below as well. Be sure to check that out. Either way, guys, I'm going to get out of here because this thing's going to fall off if I give it about 1 minute. And I've said all that I needed to say on this little update video. So I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, a fantastic rest of your week. I will see you guys very soon. I will definitely see you guys in a week when we head to Miami. And I will talk to you guys then. Peace out. And remember, you create your own story.